Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 11th of June. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We are sponsored by Valenti Farms in Needham, for all your garden needs. Okay, so we have heat and humidity the next couple of days. We have heat over the weekend. Some exceptions: outer tip of Cape Ann, perhaps the immediate shoreline communities of Boston, like right around Logan Airport, parts of East Boston, maybe the north end, if you're right at the water, will stay under 90 degrees. But for the most part, if you're in Brighton, if you're in Jamaica Plain, West Roxbury, Roslindale, you guys are all going to be above 90 degrees this afternoon. And also a little bit cooler for the Cape and the islands. If it's a heat wave, it's got to be 3 in a row. So we've got to do it today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or we could do Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are the combinations that I think will work for the heat wave. Some places could do all four, and that would be a 4-day heat wave. The humidity is going to be high the next couple of days. We actually have a air quality advisory for the area south of Boston for today. Starts at 11 a.m., goes until 11 p.m. Chance for showers and thunderstorms is limited. It's not zero, but it's limited. So most of us will not see them. If you get lucky, because we still need the rain, you'll get one here this afternoon, or again Friday afternoon. I think less of a chance here over the weekend, which does look like a pretty good beach weekend, and with a westerly breeze and lower dew points, it'll be warm even at the coastline. Have a great day, everybody.